Forget about yesterday. It's gone, and it's not spending any time thinking about you. Now, let me level with you. I wish I could say that making it big in the healthcare technology management industry is going to be a walk in the park. I wish. The reality is, you're going to have to grind for it. Picture yourself at the peak of success, and then make it your mission to get there. I produce these motivational videos every week because I truly believe that we all have what it takes to excel in this industry. If the HTM industry knocks you to the ground, make sure you land on your back. There's a saying, if you can look up, you can get up. Remember that. And when you do get up, you keep moving forward. Do I know you personally? No. But do I believe in your potential? Wholeheartedly. But my belief is nothing if you don't share it. Ignite that fire of desire, determination, and motivation within you, and watch yourself thrive. Success isn't just about reaching the top. It's about lifting others up once you're there. We're all in this together, and at some point, we all need a helping hand. Be that strength and inspiration for others, and when you hit a rough patch, you'll find this HTM community ready to support you in any way it can.